Jollibee! Hi, best friend Jollibee! Hi! Mag-hi ka naman sa ating mga Jolly guests for today! And also, best friend Jollibee, how are you today? Good na good. Kaya best friend Jollibee, meet our very celebrator, no other than na si Jack Franco! Yan! Ayan, nakapula na si Jollibee. Okay, best friend Jollibee, balita ko, meron kong i-giveaway to our very celebrator. Kaya best friend Jollibee, you may now hand your gift to Jack. Ayan. Ay, wow! Yay! Oops! Natigatak na. Ayan. Okay, best friend Jollibee, ano pa yung hinanda mo to our very celebrator? Si best friend Jollibee ay may hinandang isa, dalawa, tatlong birthday wishes para kay Jack. Alright, ang first wish ni best friend Jollibee para kay Jack ay sana lumaki siya, strong, and healthy. Alright, at ang second birthday wish ni best friend Jollibee para kay Jack ay sana lumaki siya, manasalit at may pagmamahal sa Diyos. At ang last birthday wish ni best friend Jollibee para kay Jack ay sana lumaki siyang smart and jolly like you, best friend Jollibee. Alright, best friend Jollibee, birthday gift, Jack. Birthday wishes, Jack. Ano pa yung hinanda mo para kay Jack and also to our old Jolly guest for today? Alright, si best friend Jollibee ay may hinandang isa, dance number. Okay guys, gusto niyo po bang sumayaw si best friend Jollibee? Yes, yes. How about you, ate? You want to dance Jollibee? Yes, kaya naman po, please give it up for ang bida ng siya at ang best friend ng lahat, no other than best friend Jollibee together with the Team Force.
Baka matamaan ka, di ka na yung
Alright, palakpakan naman po natin ang bida ng siya at ang best friend ng lahat, no other than best friend Jollibee. Yan, also po, in-invite ko po ang ating birthday celebrator together with his jolly parents para po siya mag-blow ng candle on the cake.